Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. Today, we're taking a look at Pipedrive, found at www.pipedrive.com, a popular customer relationship management (CRM) and platform designed to help businesses streamline their sales processes. Pipedrive offers a user-friendly interface and a focus on activity-based selling, making it a strong contender for sales teams of all sizes. The platform emphasizes visual pipelines, giving users a clear overview of their sales progress and allowing them to easily manage deals from initial contact to closing. Pipedrive's core functionality revolves around managing leads, tracking deals, and automating repetitive tasks. This allows sales representatives to concentrate on building relationships and closing deals, rather than getting bogged down in administrative work. The system facilitates easy communication tracking, ensuring no critical interaction slips through the cracks. This comprehensive approach to contact management helps to build stronger customer relationships and ultimately boost sales performance. Beyond basic CRM features, Pipedrive provides a variety of integrations with other popular business tools, expanding its functionality and allowing for a seamless workflow. These integrations can include email marketing platforms, communication tools, and other software crucial to a modern sales team. This interconnectivity allows businesses to create a centralized hub for all their sales-related activities. Furthermore, Pipedrive provides robust reporting and analytics tools that offer valuable insights into sales performance. These reports can be customized to track key metrics, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize sales strategies. This data visualization empowers teams to understand their strengths and weaknesses, allowing for continuous improvement and growth. By leveraging these analytical capabilities, businesses can refine their approach and achieve greater success. Pipedrive is a scalable solution, suitable for both small startups and larger enterprises. Its flexible pricing plans and customizable features make it adaptable to the needs of various businesses. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a large sales team, Pipedrive offers tools and resources designed to enhance productivity and drive sales growth. So, if you're looking for a CRM solution that prioritizes ease of use, visual clarity, and powerful features, Pipedrive is definitely worth considering. Check them out at www.pipedrive.com.